Hi friends, my name is Balwinder. Today I am going to show you how to install checktime biometric attendance software. Open the folder where you store the software. Double click on the setup. Just follow the instruction, install. System will start installing automatically. Click the next. Accept the agreement. Click the next. Next. Finish and just wait for a while. Next setup will be automatically starting. Okay. Click the next button. Accept the agreement again. Next. Next. So system will install the complete package on your PC. Press the OK. Click the next button. Select everyone. Next. And just wait for a while. System will finally complete the setup. Okay, now click the close button. Your software is fully installed. So on the desktop screen you have the icon check time. Double click on the icon. On the first appearance, software will ask you the serial key. So you have to provide the serial key, which is your serial key in the software. Then click the activate. Once you click activate, just wait for a while. Make sure your PC have internet connection. So system will verify your serial number. Then close it. Your software is installed and activated. Then double click. Open again. So this time follow the system. Next. Accept the term and condition and next. Then here you have to put one backup path. In case anything wrong, system will automatically backup your database to this path. So fill your company detail. As per I filling my company detail, you have to fill your company detail, company name, email ID, contact person. So fill your email ID in the email. Contact person name and contact number. And fill your address and final is country. Then click save. Now system is ready to first login. By default login is admin and admin. Login. So system will start the complete software. So the sidebar menu you have here and main menu the top. The quick view menu is here. Then next, this is all your fingerprint devices. So guys, your software is fully installed. You can double click, try open again and use the same password name, username, admin and admin and login. So software fully installed. Thanks for watching.
Get your checktime biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.